Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you are doing hard work to improve your mathematics. Now we have finished unit 1 all exercises, and we are going to start quadratic equation and exercise 2.1. As you all are familiar with quadratic equation, it is the equation in which we have the general form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which we have one variable x and all exponents are positive, and the maximum degree of that equation is 2. Now here we have a question. Write the following quadratic equation in standard form. As I told you that the standard form of quadratic equation should be like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and the condition is that a should not be equals to 0. So we have to make the question like this standard form of the quadratic equation. Question is, write the following quadratic equation in standard form. Here we have a question: x plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 5. So x plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 5. What we will do, first of all, we will multiply x with the another bracket expression x minus 3, then plus 2 x into x minus 3 equals to 5. What we get, x into x is x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3, 2 times gives us 6 equals to 5. Now we will add the like terms as a rule of mathematics. Minus 3x plus 2x gives us plus 1x. Here x square minus 3x plus 2x equals to minus x, 1x. Minus 6 and then minus 5 equals to 0. So we will write x square minus x and then minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11 equals to 0. So this is our final answer. And we get the form like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now come on the next part, part 2. X minus 5 whole square minus 2x plus 4 whole square equals to 7. What we will do, this is the form like the algebraic formula a minus b whole square. So we will open that expression like a minus b whole square formula, x square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. So here we get one negative sign after x square, then minus 2x plus 4 whole square is the formula like a plus b whole square. So we will open it like this formula, 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 4 plus 4 square equals to the number constant alone, that is 7. Now we will solve that variables. X square minus 10x plus 25 minus 2 times 4 x square, 2 times 8, 2 times 16x plus 4 times 16 equals to 7. Now we have x square minus 10x plus 25, then minus 4x square plus minus minus 16x, then plus minus minus 16 equals to 7. X square minus 4x square. Now combine all like terms, 10x and 16x, 25 and 16, because both are constant, and then 7. So what we get, x square minus 4x square gives us minus 3x square, then minus 26x, 10 and 16 minus 26x plus 25 minus 16 is 9 equals to 7. When we put 7 towards left side, we will get 9 minus 7, both are constant, so we get plus 2 equals to 0. The remaining variables are same. So what we get, minus 3x square minus 26x plus 2 equals to 0. Take the minus sign as common. What is left? 3x square minus minus becomes plus 26x, and then minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the final answer, or we can write here the final answer. After that part we have third part. Third part is x equals to x into x minus 1. First of all, we will solve the right hand side. X into x minus 1 is x square minus x square minus 1x. We can write 1x, but actually 1x is also x. So what we will do, put that x also towards left side towards right side. we will get x square minus 1x minus 1x, which is x square minus 2x equals to 0. So what is the answer? We have to write the standard form. So in the end, what we will do, we will write x square minus 2x then minus 0 equals to 0, or this is, we can write this term also as answer. Now come on the next page. Question 2. Solve the equation by factoring method. Now first of all, we have to convert it into, we have to see whether we can we can solve that equation by factoring method or not. So the question is x minus 1, x minus 4 equal to 0. So this question is, half question is solved because we have only the brackets left. So x minus 1 is 0. यहाँ पर आप देखिए तो x minus 4 is also 0. तो अगर आप -1 को लेफ्ट से राइट साइड पर लाएं तो वी गेट x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. So the solution set is 1 and 4. This is the final answer. Come on the second part, x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. तो यहाँ पर आप फैक्टरिंग मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. -1x minus 1x is equal to minus 2x. 1 टाइम्स अगर आप प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करें इट इज़ 2. So -2 we'll get -1 multiply by -1. This is the way. और यहाँ पर इनका हम प्रोडक्ट लेंगे तो we will get 1 into 1 plus 1. So make the combine the variables. We will get x into x minus 1 minus 1, x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. It means in our solution set we have 1 as a solution set because both values of x are only 1. Now come on the third part, x square minus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here we use a factoring method and the factors of minus 7 are minus 8 multiplied by 1 and 1 is plus. So minus 8 and minus 1 is minus 7x, sum is minus 7 and product is 8. So what we will do, we will combine the factors and we will get x minus 8, x plus 1. So the answer is x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 1. The solution set is 8 and minus 1. So this is the final answer. Now come on the fourth part, x square minus 4x plus 4, 2x minus 7 whole square. First of all, find this whole square because it is just like a minus b whole square. जब आप इसका स्क्वायर ओपन करोगे 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 7 plus 7 square, we will get 7 times 49 and 2 times 4x square. एंड 7 2 ज़ा 14, 14 2 ज़ा minus 28x. तो आप लेफ्ट साइड का भी सारा एक्सप्रेशन राइट पर ले आओ और जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं उनको ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, जो अनलाइक टर्म्स हैं उनको एंड पे ले जाओ. तो वी विल गेट 4x square minus x square is 3x square minus 24x. 28 में से 4 माइनस करो 24x प्लस 49 माइनस 4 इज़ 45. अब इसको 0 के इक्वल रख के लेफ्ट साइड पे इसको फैक्टर्स बना लो फैक्टर मेथड से, क्योंकि आप 3 को इसके लिए आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 45 और उसके बाद आप इसके दो फैक्टर्स लोगे 15 एंड 9. दीज आर 2 फैक्टर्स. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप यहाँ पर साइन अप्लाई करोगे. डेफिनेटली -15 माइनस 9 होगा तो यू विल गेट -24. 15 plus 5 is 20 and 24 -24. तो यहाँ पर दोनों का नेगेटिव साइन होना ज़रूरी है तभी हमारा टारगेट अचीव होगा. वी विल गेट 3x into x minus 15 minus 9x minus 15 is equal to 0. And if x minus 15 is equal to 0, it means 3x minus 9 is also equals to 0. We will get x is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 times 9. So the solution set is x equals to 3 and x is equal to 15 because here minus 15 will become plus 15 after shifting towards from left side towards right side. So this is our final solution set.